In this video, I will be showing you how you guys can save videos on YouTube. For that, the process is very simple and easy. So let's just dive right into the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So what you exactly have to do is to simply go to a video. For example, I'm gonna go to this video. I'm just gonna mute it for no copyright purposes. So what I'm gonna do is gonna go ahead and click on the save button on the video right here. So once I'll do that, it will ask me in which list I want to add it to. For example, I want to add it to my watch later list or my personal list. That's up to me, or I can create a new list that could be totally private to me and myself, and nobody exactly can access my list, even though if my channel is public. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on watch later, and that will do it. It says save to watch later, and I can undo this as well. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.